So the next type of assignment I'll show you is a collaborative Google assignment. When I go to my materials page, you can tell these are actually linked courses, so it's two courses. And I want my first period students to have a different document to work in than my second period students. So as with anything, I always go to my current unit, and I'm going to find an activity that would work for this. So on the DIC Tech playlist with the lead forward strategies, a good one that is collaborative is Each One Teach One. So what you do in this particular document is you just click use a template and it will make you a copy of that. And this is Each One Teach One. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to change the name to first period. And then I'm going to adjust my sharing settings. So I want to make this so that anyone in Dickinson ISD can actually edit it so that all of my students will be able to edit it. So I click done. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this for my second period class. So file, make a copy, entire presentation, and I'm just going to change everything from first on over to second period. And then in that one, I'm just going to check my sharing settings as soon as it gets created, which it has here. So share, and right now it has can view. So I want anyone in Dickinson ISD to be able to edit. All right, so I'm starting with my first period activity. I'm going to copy that URL. Back in Schoology, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an assignment. And I'll call this first period, Each One Teach One. Always helps to spell it right. A couple of things I like to do. What I would then do is click link. I would paste in that URL. Attach it. Then you want to make sure it's either formative or summative so that it will pass back to Skyward once you get everything graded. You want to give it a due date within this grading period. And then I always like to enable my grade statistics. And you can actually go right here and this, let's just say this is first period. That's where I would check that particular class so it doesn't go to all the students, but just that bundle of students, because I don't want my first period students interacting with my second period students. We just want this to be a first period experience, and then we create it. So then this will get created as an assignment. Now I want to do my second period assignment. So I go add materials, same process here, just kind of that rinse and repeat idea. We'll do second period, Each One Teach One. We're doing a link, and you want to get the correct link for this one. Don't make that mistake to give them the first period link like I almost just did there. So I link it, paste it, give it a title. Attach it. Make sure it's set to what you want the grading category to be. Give it a due date within this grading period. I always like to enable grade statistics. You can do alignment if you want to create. And now I have assignments created that only my first period students will be able to collaborate in, and only my second period students will be able to collaborate in the other one. And the grading is still all done through Schoology and can pass back to Skyward.